Welcome. My name is Larry White, and the purpose of this video is to update you on Reach Electronic Vision's Match Community Platform for Business. Our mission is to build private communities for businesses that provide members the latest technology to boost their find and be found. Some examples are Bright Idea Lab for entrepreneurs, Virtual Garage for car show collectors, iLab for corporate innovation mining, Crypto Crowd for the metaverse, and Veterans Match Market for the veteran ecosystem. We believe our match architecture extends today's search and paid advertising model to boost a member's chances of being found. Now, we are not trying to displace search, only provide a superior way to boost a member's find and be found and control their digital identity. We call this new method precision targeting. Precision targeting happens when party A specifies what they want and party B what they have. And a sophisticated match engine matches the wants with the have and delivers candidates in point scoring order, enabling the member to work their matches. Finally, member opt-in communities are segmented based on business vertical interests, such as veterans, sports, entrepreneurs, inventors, innovation, and even the metaverse. The most precise match happens when both parties specify, but in some cases, the match engine can go outside to the World Wide Web or an ad aggregator to find and deliver candidates. Precision targeting is the centerpiece of our value proposition, but delivery is based on our technology platform architecture that has 4 major exclusives. They are number 1, single user interface to segmented communities. 2, private and public community integration to drive adoption. 3, match engine bots to deliver candidates 24/7. And 4, multiple member profiles required for an ecosystem to go digital. Now let's start by showing you the power of what we mean by a fully integrated segmented match community and a public powered by venue. Segmented match communities are private birds of the feather member ecosystems with a common interest. They represent a pre-qualified candidate set. Party A and Party B opted in because they have a want or have related to that match community. Now let's start with entrepreneurs, and our goal is to connect the statewide ecosystem. Our match platform to connect entrepreneurs and inventors to corporations, organizations, chambers, product and service providers is our match platform called Bright Idea Labs. To drive adoptions and provide a proof of principle on the depth of a statewide entrepreneur ecosystem, we add a virtual trade show called the Capital Expo. The national member database for each state's Capital Expo is Bright Idea Lab. Bright Idea Lab members can create their e-booth in Capital Expo with one click. Capital Expo visitors, exhibitors, can create their profile on Bright Idea Lab with minimal clicks. The goal is to drive adoption both ways. Now we can add a second or third powered by venue using the same logic, and once again increase the member value of both venues. In our case, we added Digital Shark Attack syndication, enabling entrepreneurs to pitch on TV. The third critical component to maximize adoption is public web presence with a traditional website and social media sites. Now, what makes this work is a single user interface, providing one user sign in and sign up for all segmented match community and powered by members. This represents an important security safeguard to validate you are who you say you are. Finally, we can even extend matches to additional match communities like veterans. Now let's review and add a second segmented community called Virtual Garage, designed to provide virtual garages for collector of classic cars and connect with their global ecosystem. The first powered by venue to drive adoption is our e-car show registry to list and help local and national car show producers run car shows. They bring hundreds of exhibitors who are car owners. As members of Virtual Garage, they can register vehicles in Virtual Garage with one click. The reverse is also true. Exhibitors can create their garage with one click. It's all about driving adoption in the ecosystem. A second powered by venue for Virtual Garage is our Virtual Car Show, which is a clone of Capital Expo, only for car shows and their exhibitors, all for the cause of raising more money for charities. The picture is completed by adding websites and social media sites for the segmented match community and the powered by venues. We can even extend match to other E-Link segmented communities for electric business cards or even for the metaverse for NFTs. Let's begin with universal sign up, sign in. The process begins with the public discovery in a website or social media site containing a sign up or sign in link. For sign up, we display a choice of member types that you want to become and then deliver an AI script based on the member type selected. The script goal is to capture the minimum information required to build your match profiles. If you add a second or third role, the information is ported to minimize your data entry. Next is delivering you your dashboard, which has a common user look and feel, but unique to each member type. The dashboard is where you see what's happening and manage everything. It is linked to one of the segmented match communities or one of the public powered venues, fully integrated with your segmented match community. Switching roles is a click away. So is adding or deleting roles. Now let's look at sign-in. Your validated sign-in will link you to your profile and ask you to select your role. Then deliver the dashboard associated with that role. Segmented match communities and their powered by venues represent our IP. We could create an unlimited number of segmented communities, but they are not an ad hoc venue like groups and Facebooks. Although our segmented communities are architecturally similar, they are each unique in their terminology and match criteria. We call this clone and grow, and we tailor each segmented community with a sponsor or market maker to provide the following. We add a new website and social media. We update the universal sign-up and sign-in member types and roles database. We create a new clone script for each member type. We create a spec for every new member type dashboard. We create a spec for the new match community and clone the master match platform. We create a spec for the powered by venues and clone an existing powered by venue. Sponsor and market makers are key in driving member adoption. Next, we are proud of our unique IP in our match engine bot, enabling you to precision target who, where, and what you want to match on. Member A completes their profile, their match criteria, defining their wants. Member B does the same thing, completing their profile, their match criteria, defining their haves. Our match engine bot connects member A with member B and sends the output in point scored order to your dashboard that looks very much like Outlook for emails. There, members work their matches, placing candidates in folders they name, trash and never receive again, or share with colleagues. Change your match criteria and get a new set of candidates to work. We didn't stop there. In some cases, you can go outside your segmented communities and find matches in the World Wide Web that are delivered to your dashboard. The final architecture exclusive is recognizing not all members of an ecosystem have the same profile. It is not one size fits all. We utilize up to 3 unique profiles in each segmented community deployed. They are individuals and businesses, product and service providers, plus corporations, organizations, and events. Individuals and businesses are unique in that they recognize a person may have one profile with a photo, content, match criteria, and portfolio management, but that they may have 25 ideas or 10 businesses or 50 segments or participate in 4 sports or have 10 classic cars in their collection that each are unique in their web content, their match criteria, and portfolio management. Therefore, each subprofile has their own content, contacts, match criteria, and portfolio management. The product and service providers have a standard profile, web collateral, match criteria, and portfolio management needs, but also a storefront to feature 4 products or promotions linked to their sale page. So where are we with our rollout of our match platform, segmented communities, and powered by venues? We are live with Virtual Garage and have completed the full integration of the powered by venue called eCar Show Registry with the universal sign-in, sign-up. Next is adding eShow virtual car shows for charity, plus our eSale listing site for collectible cars. We have completed beta testing for Bright Idea Labs for entrepreneurs and inventors, plus eLink 911 for emergency personal security. We have completed alpha testing for iLab for internal innovation mining for corporations. This ties into our iInnovate match community for the innovation ecosystem. We are working with strategic partners and sponsors on 6 segmented match ecosystems. They are the Capital Expo, a powered by venue of Bright Idea Lab for the entrepreneurial ecosystem for states. eLink EID to manage your digital identity with electronic business cards, a mobile app, plus linkage to eLink 911 family of profiles for personal security. Next is the cryptocurrency match community with multiple NFT marketplaces. iInnovate match community for the innovation ecosystem to include iLab for mining internal corporate innovation and problems. Digital Shark Attack Syndicate from the Rich Group, backed up by Bright Idea Labs ecosystem, plus iCreate for the entertainment ecosystem. Finally, Veterans ecosystem, connecting veterans to other veterans, companies offering veteran discounts, and posting jobs for vets. We sell exclusive market licenses for segmented communities with integrated powered by venues to sponsors and major market makers, plus technical turnkey services to implement and monthly SaaS hosting fees based on membership. Our second sales product line is private branding match platform communities with powered by venues to corporations who have major customer databases they want to retain and add value to their core product and service offerings. We contract with 4 development teams in the US and India, consisting of our SaaS Azure development team that's responsible for the enterprise SaaS platform and the match engine development. Our no-code development team is responsible for our UX user interfaces and our powered by venue development. Our website and social media teams are responsible for the ReV website and any of the vertical market websites, plus social media development for all venues. Our blockchain development partner is responsible for any cryptocurrency or blockchain development in the marketplace venues for that ecosystem. That's the Retail Electronic Visions Azure Match platform for community story. We believe the power to boost, find and be found, plus protect one's own data belongs in the hands of the members. We provide them with a platform and segmented markets to control their digital identity and connect to one or multiple segmented markets. Finally, we also believe precision targeting is metaverse compliant, given the trends for segmented niche communities, plus our cryptocurrency match community and powered by NFT marketplaces with links to digital asset exchanges. Thank you. For more information, please do not hesitate to contact me at the following. Or you can just e-link me by scanning our new e-link EID product. Do you e-link?